In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use an invoice template in ClickUp. Let's start at the very beginning. Log into ClickUp and open your home screen. In the left sidebar, hover over your team space. This is your main shared workspace where your projects and templates live. Click the three dots next to the team space name to open its menu. This is your central control panel for anything you'll reuse with your team. From that menu, choose Templates. That opens the Templates hub, the place where you manage, store, and create reusable building blocks so you don't start from scratch every time. Next, browse for the right invoice layout. Click Browse Templates to open the library, then use the search bar and type Invoice. Take a moment to scroll through the options and preview a few. Look for a structure that matches how you bill, whether that's itemized line items, hourly entries, or fixed fee sections, so it feels natural to customize later. Once you find a good fit, select the template and click Use Template. This pulls it into your workspace so you can make it your own. Before you jump into content, give it a clear, descriptive name. Something like Client Invoice June 2026 or Project Invoice that your business makes it easy to find and reuse. Now customize the details. Add your company name, logo, and contact information, keeping everything accurate and consistent with your brand. Include a concise project or service description so clients understand exactly what they're being billed for. Fill in the line items with what you're charging, including quantities and rates. Set the total amount, choose the correct currency, and include tax if it applies in your location. Finally, define your payment terms and due date, such as net 15 or a specific date. Clarity here helps invoices get paid on time. When you're ready to create a real invoice, return to Templates in the same team space. Locate your invoice template and click Use Template. ClickUp automatically generates a fresh copy. Update the client's name and address, the relevant dates, and any project-specific details or amounts. When everything looks right, save the task or doc as your final invoice. Keep your template current. If your business address, payment terms, or billing structure changes, update the original template so every future invoice reflects the latest information. This small habit prevents confusion, speeds up your workflow, and keeps your brand presentation consistent and professional. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.